Everyone is panicking about Google Remy. It's the death of digital sovereignty. Google is locking us in. We're all going to be passengers. I've watched 10 videos on this. Every single creator is missing the actual story. Because if you're a solo entrepreneur right now, Google Remy might be the single best thing that's happened to you this decade. And I'll prove it in the next 4 minutes. But first, 3 things you need to know before I get to why this is a gold mine, because you can't understand the opportunity, understand what just actually happened. And what happened is wild. Quick recap so we're on the same page. Google just quietly killed the biggest open source AI project on the planet, Claude. 250,000 GitHub stars, millions of users. Gone. How? They banned thousands of paying customers overnight. People with annual subscriptions woke up to permanent bans. Some lost their entire Google Workspace and Gmail accounts they'd had for decades. No appeals, no refunds. Why? Because Google was clearing the field for Remy, a 24/7 AI agent that doesn't chat with you, it actually works for you. While you sleep, while you eat, while you film YouTube videos. It runs on a brand new architecture called Mixture of Recursions that makes it dirt cheap to run, and it's built into your Gmail, your Android, your Docs, every Google product you already use. Most creators are calling this dystopian. They're wrong. Here's why. For the last 20 years, building a real business required one of 2 things: money to hire a team or technical skills to build it yourself. Solo entrepreneurs without either, stuck, outworked, outgunned, outscaled. Remy changes the math entirely. A 24/7 agent that monitors your email, books your meetings, navigates websites for you, executes multi-step workflows in the background. That's not a chatbot, that's a workforce. You used to need an executive assistant, a virtual assistant, a researcher, an operations person. Now you need a Google subscription and the skill to direct an agent. And here's what nobody is saying. The people who win this era won't be the ones with the best tech. They'll be the ones who learn fastest how to actually use it. So here's the honest read. Yes, you're trading some sovereignty for convenience. That's real. But for 98% of people listening to this, you weren't running your own local AI agent anyway. You were typing into ChatGPT and copying answers into a doc. Remy doesn't take anything from you. It gives you leverage you didn't have yesterday. The question isn't, is Google evil? The question is, what business can I build now that wasn't possible 6 months ago? And the answer is basically anything. One person can now run what used to take a team of 10. The bottleneck moved from execution to ideas, from doing the work to directing the work. That's not a death of agency, that's an upgrade. The other creators want you scared. I want you to look at this honestly. The Agentic era is here. It's not coming, it's here. And it's going to make a small number of people very rich, very fast. Those people won't be the loudest, they won't be the most technical. They'll be the ones who stopped panicking, started learning, and built quietly while everyone else argued about whether AI was good or bad. Are you the oarsman steering your own boat? Or are you the passenger? I know which one I'm choosing. I'm not going to do the whole smash that subscribe button thing. But if you want more on AI and marketing that actually works, you know where the button is.